In this video, we're going to look at a couple more examples of multiplying polynomials. And these examples lead to a mistake that is probably every math teacher's least favorite algebra mistake that's made. So be aware of this one. So we have 8v minus 2 quantity squared. Now, I'm going to go ahead and write down an incorrect answer. So this is wrong. Here, I'll write the word wrong. And if you write this answer, I promise your math teacher is not going to be happy. So let's see. We have 8v minus 2 quantity squared. So you might think to yourself, well, 8v times 8v, that's 64v squared. And then negative 2 times negative 2, that's positive 4. Yeah, that looks right. And no, that's not right. And your math teacher will not be happy. So 8v minus 2 quantity squared, if you think about what an exponent 2 means, that means that we're going to multiply the quantity 8v minus 2 times itself, times 8v minus 2. Well, if you watch my prior video on multiplying polynomials, you know how to do this. We're going to distribute from the left to the right. So I'm going to put 2 arrows in blue, and I'll put 2 arrows in red. And if you follow those 4 arrows, you know that we're going to have 4 terms. 8v times 8v is 64v squared. 8v times negative 2 is negative 16v. And now follow the bottom 2 arrows, which are in red. Negative 2 times 8v, well, that's another negative 16v. And then negative 2 times negative 2, that is plus 4. So what you have to notice here is that the 2 terms in the middle are both linear. V to the first power. Those are like terms. So you combine those, meaning the final answer is 64v squared. Negative 16 minus 16 is negative 32. So minus 32v plus 4. So you might be able to see why math teachers get so upset at the mistake I made at the top. Not only is it wrong, it's really missing out something that's fundamental about multiplying polynomials. When you multiply 8v minus 2 quantity squared and you show the work, you end up with these 4 terms. And when you combine the like terms, you see the final answer. It has this negative 32v. So 64v squared plus 4, that's not only a wrong answer, that's a really bad wrong answer. So please don't make that. Now, if you have an example with 2 variables, this is exactly the same. So I'm going to go through this rather fast. I'm not going to do all the different colors. 4a minus 7b times 4a minus 7b. Draw your 4 arrows. And like I said, I'm not going to color code these. Follow the top arrows. 4a times 4a is 16a squared. 4a times negative 7b, that's minus 28ab. And now the bottom arrows. Negative 7b times positive 4a. Well, that's another minus 28ab. And then the last arrow, negative 7b is plus 49b squared. The 2 terms in the middle, those are like terms. So the final answer is 16a squared minus 28 minus 28. That's minus 56ab. And then plus 49b squared. These 2 examples of raising a binomial to the second power is really common. If you end up just memorizing this pattern and going from the initial question to the answer, that's perfectly fine. It is common enough. But again, please don't make the mistake that I purposely made on the first example. Anyway, this is how you deal with perfect square polynomials.